Hi guys, so in this video, we're gonna open something. A surprise. It's something like throwback to holiday.
Throwback to holiday, ya kan?
So let's get started. Guess what is that? First we got this one, and the second one, this one. Oke, first kita buka yang mana dulu ya? Oke, this one. Aku buka yang ini. Oke. It's from IDphotobook.com.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got it. It's trip to Singapore. It's trip to Singapore to what? 2019.
2000.
Yeah, 2019. But it's okay if we just do 2019. First, this one. It's in the airport. You know, it's and the second in the airport. Masih airport. Ini di pesawat. It's just like Singapore Airlines. Okay. Ini kita di hotel. Ini di itunya pesawat. Ini di hotel, di Oxford Hotel. Sama ini juga ada di depan hotel gitu. Ini ada di Marina Bay Sands. Terus ini kita lagi makan di deket Merlion, oke. Ini juga di Merlion. Kita ini di dekat Merlion. Ini mau ke Gardens by the Bay, but we got some rest. Kita lihat. Ini di Gardens by the Bay. And ini masih di Gardens by the Bay. Oh, ini di Flower Dome. Oh no, ini di Cloud Forest. Flower Dome yang tadi. Ini juga banyak banget ya yang di sana. Di mana namanya? Apa namanya? Gardens by the Bay. And it's Garden by the Bay still. And it's MRT, guys. Oh my god. No, it's okay. It's Orchard. Yang Orchard. Ini depan hotel. Yang tadi bukan depan hotel sih, dekat hotel. Ini tuh kita udah mau pulang. Oh, the last day itu tuh kayak in market of something. Ini di Changi Airport. It's in Changi. Okay, di pesawat finally. Okay, it's done guys for the trip to Singapore.